How to see dislikes on YouTube on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and select any of the video that you want to see the dislikes on. So here I've selected this channel. Now let's just go to this channel and the videos. Now here are the videos. So let's just go to any of this video over here. And here in this video you can see the number of likes, but the number of dislikes cannot be seen. So what we're going to do is tap on the share option over here. So just tap on share and then you can see the option of copy link. Tap on copy link and then now go back to the Play Store application on your device and make sure to download this application called Show Dislike. So as you tap on Show Dislike, you can just install it. Now as I've already installed it, I'm going to tap on open and it will land me to the home page of this application. So here it says to paste the YouTube link that we have just copied. So I'm just going to paste it over here and then tap on the show option. So here you can see the number of like is 518k, whereas the number of dislike is 4776. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.